All right, we are here in the Four Queens, and we have this Otis Lexan. Down first.
Yeah. It's running. There it is.
Looks like that sign is supposed to light up. I wonder if it was like a lantern.
They've got
Retro.
buttons on both sides of the panel.
Ooh. Yeah, you want to? Look out! The doors open from either side.
Close.
There's no indicator in
There
here.
isn't. That's cool though. I think it's gonna open on this side.
Quick.
Very
That's a
fast.
pretty little restaurant area.
It's closed right now.
Oh, you're right. There's like a, whoa. This is the GAL Lexan here, and it's like kind of replaced.
I can't see it because I'm like sideways. I'll split the camera.
All right, let's be quiet for the motor. I love Lexan. Ooh.
I missed the level. This is cool. Let's write it back to once and then we'll get off at 2. And I don't think we should disturb the restaurant there too much.
Yeah, she was looking at me weird.
Switch the level.
No phone.
No phone, might be the other cabinet.
It's on this side, yeah. Anyway,
Does that have a regular?
that's it.
That has a regular panel. You just ended it there.
No.
There we are.
Alright. That's it.